What is up, Hurties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be freestyling my hair. I need to go out and I need a style that I'm gonna rock tomorrow, so I don't want to get up in the morning and have to do my hair because that'll take time. So right now I'm just about to freestyle and do something in my hair for today and tomorrow. So yeah, so this is kind of how I've been looking for pretty much the whole day. My hair is a tangled mess and I really was trying to avoid messing with it, but I have to mess with it because I can't really go no place looking like this. But I can record a video for the world to see looking like this. Makes a lot of sense. But anyways, as y'all know, I took out my braids. And I did wash my hair before I took out my braids, but somehow I don't think I washed it good because it looks a mess. So I am going to, I need a comb. Hold on, I'm just doing a little part right here. And then I'm going to apply a little water because my hair is feeling so dry. So a little water always makes it feel a little better. Right? Oh. I hate detangling my hair. And I'm probably not going to detangle my entire head just because my hair needs to wash and I know it. Okay. I'm just going to detangle the front. Well, not really. I'll try to finger detangle.
$2,000 later.
It's moments like this, I just want to cut all my hair off. But where there's a will, there is a way. There's always like an easy style. Just brush your edges a little bit, not too much. And then brush these edges. And then I'm just gonna pull my hair back because I don't know what else to do with it. But then it look weird, so maybe I should just pull it back like straight. Maybe I shouldn't do a part. Maybe I should just pull it back. Going straight back. Ew, my gosh, I don't know what to do with my hair. Okay. Oh, it's a lot. y'all see why I normally just have a hairstyle in? Because this is kind of what happens, like when I don't have a hairstyle in and I don't know what to do with my hair. My hair is a tangled mess. I don't know what to do with it. So yeah. 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 Okay. Well, yeah. This is all I could think of because my hair is like really tangled and I don't know what to do with it. Probably I need to stop being lazy and just detangle my hair and like try to like detangle my hair some way somehow, right? I don't know, like I know some of y'all naturals, y'all feel my struggle. Like days like this, I just want to cut my hair off, like cut it all off, or like throw a relaxer in. Like days like this, that's all I feel like doing. But I think I have to try to detangle it